Hi, Grandma Joy here. Would you like to honk like a flamingo? Flamingos are beautiful pink birds. They're large and they have long stilt-like legs. But did you know flamingos are not born pink? They're born white, and what they eat colors them. So they eat algae and brine shrimp, and it turns all their feathers pink. So that's fun, isn't it? And how do you honk like a flamingo? Well, you could say honk, honk, and then take the H and the K off, so it's more of a honking sound without the strong letters. Honk, 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 honk. And flamingos all have different voices. And sometimes you have millions of them together, but they can recognize each other by their voice, and their babies, their chicks, by the voice. But I'm not that good at recognizing different flamingos. They all sound sort of like honking to me. Honk, 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 honk. But they're beautiful to watch flying, or when they're standing on one leg, which they do sometimes. They have long legs and they're just standing on one. And it looks like their knees bend backwards, but they don't. That bending backward part is actually their ankles. They have long parts of their lower leg. So, want to try with me to honk like a beautiful pink flamingo? Honk, 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 honk. I hope you enjoy flamingos as much as I do. And I will see you next time. Grandma Joy. Bye-bye.